Welcome to the channel. Very quick video on how to use this rather excellent Drew & Cole breakfast sandwich maker. I will try and show you the box. It's the box. Drew & Cole. Go and look them up. Excellent piece of product. I'm not being promoted by them, supported by them. This is just literally, somebody's requested this. It's an excellent little tool for creating basically like the breakfast muffins that you get from like places like that. So it's really dead simple. So we've got this little device. It is when it starts, it gets really hot. So you've got three little sections. You've got section one where you put your bottom half of your ingredients, and you don't have to do it for breakfast muffins. You can do it bagels and all sorts. They have an app with all different recipes on it. That's where you put your egg in, and the top half of your bun, and that. So let me go and show you how to do it quickly. So take out your muffin. Because I'm type 2 diabetic, I have to use wholemeal. And obviously you can get muffins without pre-sliced, but I have to slice mine because they're local shops. Anyway, okay. Just find out which ones. That's my bottom, that's my top. Okay. We've then got our cheese. Cheese here. Put that over there. And I like to tuck in this because if it doesn't, it gets all icky on the sides. And if you like that burnt cheese, then you can do that. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you can, just a bit. Then you need your sausage patty. You have to pre-cook them if you can't buy them already pre-cooked. So your sausage patty goes on like that. Okay, and then you've got your egg, which I'm just going to crack into a little ramekin. And I do that because it's easier if I need to take out any egg, then I can do that. And I'm just going to pierce it. If you like to swish it round, mix it all in. Presumably the egg might explode. Anyway, let's go prepping the machine. So you got 2 rings. So in the first ring, put some oil in the bottom. I don't think it matters at the bottom, but anyway. Yeah, put some oil in the bottom, swish it around, especially at the sides, because obviously you don't want things sticking. These are non-stick, but they also get very hot. Okay. That's the first layer. Second layer, and this has a little slidey thing, so I'll show you how that works in a minute. Next, put in some more oil in the top one. Swish it around. Now, I generally don't put oil on the top base because all you're doing is toasting the muffin or whatever, the bagel. Again, swish it around. Make sure you're covering the sides as well as the bottoms. And done that. Okay. Then we'll put down the top. Make sure it's all secure, and then we can switch on. And you notice straight away there's a heating light that comes on. When it goes green, it means it is ready. It is just about, it's going to start crackling, so that makes noises naturally, but that's just the elements heating up. So just wait a few more seconds. Once you hear that noise, that crackling noise, you know it's nearly about there. So it only takes about 2-3 minutes to heat up. But you can say the green light will come on when it is done, and it is on, and that is go. So open up to the bottom layer, put in your patty and your cheese and your bottom half. Make sure that's sitting firmly, and then you put your egg in. Now, you could put your bun straight away, but what I tend to find happens it melts into the egg. So now we need to wait a minute. We're going to wait a minute. So our egg has started to cook. So I'm going to put it in the top now. And then put the lid down. Don't squash it down. Just gently put it down on top. And then we're going to wait 4 minutes. So overall total cooking time is 5 minutes. Whilst it is going through the 4-minute cooking cycle, the light will go off. Don't worry about that, that's normal. That just means the plate is reheating. It will come back on again when it comes back up to temperature. Right, we're just about coming up to the end of time now. There we go, the timer has gone. So 4 minutes has passed. The light green light has come back on, like I said it would. And now switch off. Turn off. Unplug there. Before you do anything else, you're free to safe to push down. Swing that across. So what that does, that drops the egg and the bun down. And then you can lift that up. It's nice and crispy on top. Okay. Lift this one up. This then can be removed to be washed. Careful, this is extremely, extremely hot. And there it is. This is a thingy. Remember, this is really, really hot. And that's it, guys. Your sausage and egg muffin or English breakfast muffin sandwich. Easy as that. So, yeah, that's it. And then it's all the actual rings itself are dishwasher safe. Takes about 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes to cook, depending on how you like your egg, etc. But you do have to cook your sausage patties beforehand. But like I said, you don't have to use sausage. You can use bacon. You could use all types of ingredients. There's an app that you can download, and it's got loads of recipes on there. So that is it. Just a very quick tutorial. Thank you very much. This is for El Sanchez. He suggested he wanted to see this video. Yep, and that is it for today's video. So if you did enjoy that, do remember to like and subscribe, and always remember to share. I have been Ike Becker. Until next time, keep rocking and rolling. Bye!